Okay, so now it's gonna be the first time testing the gas engine with the throttle, the servo throttle, and with like on the all the computer installed. The only thing that left is the circuit for the starter, like the alternator starter. I broke the other one, so I ordered a new one, and there's a problem with that, so I'm gonna figure it out. But just for now, we're gonna try to turn the gas engine on and then try to ride the scooter with gas and electric at the same time, and just with gas. Hopefully nothing's gonna go bad. We just did an oil change, as you can see, so new oil in the engine. Yeah, so I'm just gonna crank it manually. First, as you can see, the servo is working for the throttle, and I'm gonna the program for the starting procedure is done. It's just that the starter is not working, so I'm gonna press, and now technically if the engine is running, it should be able to go. Basically, full throttle. It's gonna take 2 seconds.
What happened?
Basically, full throttle
is minimum.
Yeah. So as you can see, this is full. It's weird. When it's close to it, it's full, and this is minimum.
Oh.
That's why I wasn't sure. So all I have to do is invert 61 and 105. Then I'm gonna select the right Arduino Uno here, and the right port. Make sure it's connected. Yeah, as you can see now, it's good. So it's doing the opposite. I'll try to. Ignition is on. Start. And now manual start.
This is gonna go fast. Yo, the electric with the gas is insane.
Yeah, I'm steady focused on money now. I'm trying to count to 100 down. That's daily, gravy pay me. Amsterdam's no slim shady. Make it count, going so crazy. Still live it up when I'm over 80. Flying, I'm hotter than Hades. Middle fingers up to the ones wanna hate me. Trouble, I'm fire in a motherfucking drought. Everybody lying for a little bit of clout. Stay making moves like I'm trying to sell a house. That's how it be when you're raised in the South. Mama always said that this money be the death of me. Money can't buy you happy, but I never seen a sad man riding a jet ski. Time will tell me to break this beat. First it was hate, now they got my steed. Took small sips, now they drinks on me. Commas in the bank, that's all I need. Business first and chill after. Set the cruise, but not the actor. Work hard, let the money stack up while y'all broke like a stress fracture. I got it.
These are the batteries right here. These are all 12 volt batteries. I have 6 of them, so it's a total of 72 volts. And this right here is the controller for the three-phase, well, the three-phase brushless motor in the front. So my electric motor is in the wheel here. My main goal for this project was to basically use the gas motor as a way to charge my batteries. So that's the gas engine right here. This is turning. There's a strap to the alternator, as you can see, like right there. This alternator, there's a voltage regulator rectifier, and it outputs a 12 volt DC current that is charging a 12 volt battery. A little bit the same thing as in a car for now. So the accessory 12 volt battery is right here, okay? So this alternator is charging this battery. But after that, I connected an inverter to my 12 volt battery. This inverter is taking the 12 volt DC current to 120 volt AC current, 60 hertz, same thing as what we have in the wall. So it's basically like if I was plugging something into the wall. And then from there I use the regular 72 volt charger for e-bikes, and this is how I charge my 72 volts battery pack. So the inverter is right here, it's the blue thing right there, and the inverter is connected directly to the charger right here, and this charger is connected to the battery. Another thing is that the alternator, that's what is more complex, is used as a starter too. So first of all, an alternator is a three-phase motor in some way. So what I did is I removed the voltage regulator that is inside the alternator, and these in here, in this wire harness, there's 3 wires for the three-phase AC. And here there's a connector and the relays, okay? So basically relays are shifting the three-phase from charging to being a motor. And inside this right here is the three-phase motor controller. So when I start the gas engine, this is sending three-phase AC into these relays. These relays are engaged, and they send the three-phase AC into the alternator, right here. As soon as I let go the start button, these relays disengage, this three-phase motor controller stops, and the relays right here and right here shift to send the three-phase into this rectifier right here, which is charging my battery, my 12 volt battery there. For the electromagnet of the alternator, I use these 2 relays. So basically when it's used as a motor, as the starter motor, these relays send directly 12 volt into the electromagnet inside the alternator, so the motor can turn. But as soon as I let go the start button, it's shift to input the signal from this voltage regulator here. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how it starts. This is all controlled with Arduino, as you know. So basically when I press on this little button, it's sending a signal to my computer and the program starts running. So now you can see that these relays are on. That means that the voltage regulator is controlling the output of the alternator to 12 volts. So if I put my 2 leads here of the multimeter, you'll see approximately like between 12 volt and 14 volt max. The relays right here are just to shift the three-phase towards the rectifier. If they're off, that means that these relays are on, and that means they're shifting the phase towards the starter, basically the motor controller. Okay, so now
now I'm just gonna prove that it's the regulation of the voltage is good. So this is directly connected to the battery here, and it's the input from the rectifier. Basically, this is a rectifier. These are the 3-phase coming in, and the output, the DC is here. So the positive, negative of the battery. So if I put it to DC, as you can see, it's not going over 14 volts, even if I press on the gas. It's not getting higher. So that's good. That means that the voltage regulator is working well. Okay, so for the charging system, I already explained how it works with the alternator, but if I want to charge it with the wall, there's an outlet right here. So I just basically plug this in here and this into the wall, and then after that all I have to do is shift this this is a three-way switch, so when I push it like that, the power comes from the wall instead of the alternator.